Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy here, and I am back with another video guys. I am sharing with you guys, as you can tell from the title, my unboxing of my dining table chairs, and these are quite budget friendly, but they are gorgeous. I am loving them and are very good quality for the price. And yes guys, so it's 6 chairs and I'm just gonna be setting up one of them with you guys today. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, a big welcome to you. Go ahead and join my family by hitting that subscribe button and also turn on your notification bell. I would appreciate it. Thank you all very much to my returning subscribers. Thank you for coming in. Thank you for hanging with me. So guys, as you can see here, I've taken out all the pieces and I am just unboxing all the pieces, setting out the screws and everything so I can go ahead and set up my chairs. The setup was not very hard, it's quite simple, and I went ahead and just set up one on camera for you guys, and I'll just show you what they look like around my table. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button, and also guys, share this video with friends and family. I got these chairs on, I think it was eBay. Yes, I got these chairs from eBay, and I could leave a link in the description down below if you're interested. I'm in the UK, so it might be if you're in the UK as well. So guys, yes, I'm just going ahead and setting up this chair with you guys. Just keep watching guys, and you'll see how I set up and lay my chairs out around my table. And as I said before guys, I am loving these chairs. They're very comfortable and they look quite beautiful in my dining room. So thank you all very much for watching. Have a lovely day guys, and be blessed.
Tonight.